Hello guys, hope you are all in your good health. Okay, that's super easy to convert a Word file into PDF. In this video, I'll show you two methods. First method is to convert the Word file into PDF using Microsoft Word on Windows. This method is best for you if you're having Microsoft Office installed in your computer and you're having Windows operating system. And the second method is to convert Word file into PDF online. This method can be a best choice for you if you are not having Microsoft Word installed in your computer or you have MacBook. So these are two simple and easiest methods to convert Word file into PDF. Now proceeding further towards the first method. First of all, open the Word file which you want to convert into PDF. Okay, click on the file button shown on the ribbon bar. Click on save as and then click browse button. From here you can select the location where you want to save your converted PDF file. And here you can rename the file if you want to rename. But now the important step is click on save as type and then select PDF. And then click on the save button. It's done. You can go to the selected location where you wanted to save that converted PDF file. Double click on that and you can see it's converted into PDF. Now we move towards the second method. Open new tab, type google.com, enter. Type convert Word file to PDF online and press on enter. Here you can see the top 10 results from Google search engine to convert a Word file into PDF. Here I would recommend you to use small PDF website as it's super easy to convert Word file into PDF following just 2 steps. Open the website and click on choose files. Choose the file which you want to convert into PDF. Double click on that. Here it starts uploading and converting into PDF. It takes some time to convert a Word file into PDF online, so we have to wait a bit. We really hope that this effort would help you to convert a Word file into PDF easily. Okay, in this time I would like to summarize this video. In this video, two methods were shown to convert a Word file into PDF. First one was to use a Microsoft Word on Windows and the second was to convert a Word file to PDF online. Here we are. Your Word file has now successfully been converted into an awesome PDF. Now click on the download button. Here you can select the location where you want to save that file and rename the file if you want to rename. Now click on the save button. Now go to the folder you have selected and saved the file. Double click on that and you can see the converted Word file into PDF online. Yeah, that's it. We have done with it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe this channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Take care.